Hi, I'm here to do my fourth experiment in System Software and Compiler Lab. The question is, aim is to write an LEX specification for performing a token separation using a LEX tool. So first you should create the algorithm with the LEX specification as file as PGM1. So after that, include the required header files. So that's required necessary header files which should be added to it. And after that, declare the necessary variables, constants, and regular definitions. That is a general format. This is a general format of the LEX thing. So here's a definition and rules and rules and subroutines. So write the regular expressions and corresponding actions for the identifier, keyword, and number. That's for the input which you are giving. And write the main function and call YYLX. So let's go into the program now. So program is here. So for the program, I'll share it as PGLex. So here the first part of the program that is actually which is given according to the question. First part is the definition. So it's the definition part over here, and this is the definition part. Then after that we have those operators, punctuators, digit, and alpha. That's the alphabets. And this part is known as definition. Rules part. And after that we have that subroutines part in the remaining thing. That's checking out whether operators and comparing it with the text. So we have those three subdivisions, and here's the thing: we have the operators such as plus, minus, then division and multiplication, then the punctuators, semicolon, colon, then parenthesis and quotations and so on. Then the digits from 0 to 9, then alpha from A to Z. Then the keywords, that is the keywords like int, float, double, and boolean keywords are there. So after that we have this line for using the YY text, that is for happening using the LEX coding. And after that we have the main function. So inside the main function we call that YY LEX, which is set in the question, and we are returning the L. Then after that also the YY wrap function is also being written here. So let's see the output now. So for compiling this LEX code, we have certain commands to be first thing is do is lex pglex, that is with the file name. We must do this. So it's lex pglex, and after that we have this cc lex.yy.c, and after this command we must execute it, compile it. So for getting the output, it's dot slash a dot the output. So first the example which is given the question, I'm going to type that this int a comma b comma c or whatever. I'm taking it as int e comma f comma g, and g is equal to e plus f star 20. So here's the tokens are separated. So the int is a keyword, and E is an identifier. Then also, E, F, G, these three things are identifiers. So E, F, and G identifiers. Then the comma and those things are the punctuations which are being separated and explained here. Then after that we have those operators separately given here. Then also the number, that is a digit which is being multiplied with those things, and that's the number is 20. And finally also a semicolon is also a punctuator which is being displayed there. So it's all. Thank you.